Hello and welcome back! In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install the TranslatePress plugin and all of its add-ons. TranslatePress is a WordPress translation plugin that helps you turn your website multilingual by letting you translate 100% of your site's content into literally any language. The plugin comes with a free version you can download from WordPress.org and 3 premium versions for added functionality. So here's how to install any premium version of TranslatePress. Start by choosing the best premium version for you. Scroll to the pricing page to see what add-ons best suit your website's needs. After your purchase, you'll start by going to your own TranslatePress account where you can download both the main free plugin and your chosen paid version. You're gonna need them both installed in order for the add-ons to work. Once downloaded, go to your own WordPress dashboard to install them on your site. If you already have the free version installed, you can simply update it if needed and skip straight to installing the premium version. But if not, first you'll have to go to Plugins, Add New, and click the Upload Plugin button at the top. Click on the Choose File button that appears and select the path to the main plugin archive you've already downloaded. Click Install and then activate it. To install the free version, you can also simply search for it in the search bar and add it from there. Next, you'll have to add the premium version of your choice. In this example, I'm using TranslatePress Business, but the same process applies for personal and developer versions as well. So to add it, we'll repeat the exact same process as with the main plugin, just make sure to upload the premium version this time around. And don't forget to activate it in the end. Next, we'll have to activate the license as well. To do this, first let's get our license key from the account page on TranslatePress.com. You'll simply copy it from here. Then we'll go to the TranslatePress settings and navigate to the License tab. Here you'll have to paste the copied license key and then just hit Activate License. Now the plugin and all of the add-ons are installed and all is left to do is to activate your needed functionalities, be it all of them or maybe just a few. For this, let's go to Settings, TranslatePress, and then navigate to the Add-ons tab. Here you'll find a list of all the add-ons included in the premium version you've purchased. To activate them, simply click on the Activate button to the right of each add-on. You can also find the shortcut to each add-on's documentation page here for more information on how to use them. If this is not your first ride with TranslatePress and you're coming from an older version of the plugin, you can simply update your main plugin and install the new bundle-up version of the paid plugin from your TranslatePress account. Then you can go on and delete all of the old individual add-ons, since they are now all included in the plugin itself. And that's it! You have successfully installed TranslatePress and all of the add-ons included in your purchased version. You can find the link to the TranslatePress documentation in the description box below for more in-depth information. And you can also give us a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more useful WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching!